Assumption for the second set. Score 177 versus UST. Is the 4 attack the touch ball. Locker up. Player number 1 of FEU. Check by Sophia. Check by Accepted. Oh, it's an outside.
Player guy.
Is the 4 Eureka of FEU. Check by Sophia Pagara. Set by Rogelia. Pagara from attack.
So muna nito ang second set no, sa itong final atong championship game. Ang score nito by 3-2. Labaw ang FEU bisa.
Check by Isla 4, set by Pons. Isla 4.
Cut tagay mo.
Oh! It's an outside. Antenna out. Isa lang again. What is 4?
4-3 score.
So, Peter Pagara. Serve. Check by Isla 4, set by Pons. Isla 4, double kick. Score.
5-3. So labaw na pudog duha ang FEU.
FEU. Autopilot. Eureka Isla 4. Serve. Check by Sofia. Set by Trujillo. Attack by Sofia Pagara.
4-5.
Score. Towards the big 5. 1 point lead. Player number 2 of UST. Check by Isla 4. Set by Pons. Isla 4 from attack. Score. Sophia. Check. Just ball again.
Outside. Nice one. 5-6 ang score.
Sophia Pagara swing. Check by Isla 4. Pons. Nakatip. On switch. Player number 2.
Batas na sila.
Inside. Score 8-7. Labaw na ang FEU gisa.
Pagara. Oh, it's a service aim.
9-all.
Another deadlock.
9-all na itong score.
Pagara again. Check by Pons. Set. Pons runs from attack. It's on the inside.
Inside. 10-9. So labaw rin po sila og 1 point ang FEU.
Running score. 10-7-9. 1 to pilot. Is the 4. Check by Pagara. Set by Progelia.
Pagkara.
Oh, another deadlock. 1 to 6. This is UST and FEU sa to ang first national collegiate
10-all.
beach volleyball tournament. Is the 4.
Bang.
Consist, nothing score. 11-10.
10.
Melody Pons, check by Progelia, set by Pagara, Progelia, soft touch. Player number 1, another deadlock, 11-all.
11-all.
Pagara, serve, check by Pons, set by Stefan, Pons, number 2, another chance ball. Oh,
Away. 11. Ilabaw na ang UST o isa.
Pagara. Check by Slapor. Set by Port.
Away.
Another long ball. Running score.
13-11.
2 points lead. So, Piti again. Check by Slapor. Set by Port. Monster na.
Nice block by Pagara. So 14-11, labaw nagtulo ang UST.
Okay, back to the second set. Running score, 14-11 in favor of UST. 3 points lead. Pagara. Check by Stapor. Bones. Another chance ball for the UST. Pagara. Score, 15-11. Basta mamahunan ang mga kabiyaan din ang mga tabaw. Another Rohelia. Fastball for the UST. Sophia. Rohelia.
Tayo ka niya. 16-11. Ay, ginto lang.
Running score. 16-11. Estapor. Running score. 12 serving 16. Hapit na. Masih pa.
12-16.
Player number 1. Ay sahang. Saya tumulong sa yun. Estapor. Check by Prohelia. Set by Pagara. Prohelia. One strong attack by Tyree Prohelia of the UST. Iba na. Prohelia. Check by Estapor. Bones. Check by Prohelia. Set by Sophia. Oh! It's a block. Running score. Player number 2 of FEU.
13-17 lang itong score.
Bones. Pagara number 2, Bones. Check out live.
18-13.
18-7-13. Player number 1, Sophia Pagara. Serve is the 4. Bones. Wala another master block by Pagara. Running
13,
score, 19,
19.
serving 13.
So, pang final na namin.
It's a championship point.
20,
Serving 13. Championship point, serving 13. In favor of University of Santo Tomas. Pagara.
Kasulod. 14-20.
Running score. Championship point.
Out the port. Hayop pa.
It's an outside.
Outside.
Congratulations to the University of Santo Tomas for being a champion of our first national collegiate women beach volleyball tournament. And also congratulations to the Far Eastern University for being the first runner-up of our first national collegiate women beach volleyball tournament. So we go to our awarding ceremony.
So, ang atong champion karon ang UST. Champion sila sa ato ang beach volleyball diri sa Singdangan. Congratulations. So, mga boys, hinahinay na magbaklay. Kay humana atong show. Uli na sila. Uli na. Uli na.
Ah, 150 to 75 din eh.
Uli na. Mga boys. So, mga na itong gipadula diri mo. So, ang champion ay lain kung pili ang UST. Congratulations. Very katama mga idol. Daghang salamat sa inyong suporta. Pag-like and share sa atong video mga idol. Alright.